Zoom it out. Maybe you should zoom it out.
No, but there's no problem with the pages. Good morning and welcome to our presentation. We give a name of our company called Perfect Care. We choose the name because Perfect Care fits with our products perfectly. We have a slogan called if you care, then we care. If you care about your hair, then we'll care about your hair. And we have chosen our own group member as a model because she's been using our product for a long time. So she will say about that advantage she got from our product afterwards. And we have one beautiful lady. She is a sales assistant in Africa. She's presenting our product in Africa. So we choose the color black and white because we think that this is a standard and simple as always. So, and I'll put it through to that beautiful lady, Shelly. Next.
Hello everyone, my name is Shelly. I'm working in Perfect Care company as a financial manager. And please look at here. Can you see this lady? This lady's hair and skin. How it looks? How it looks? Nice. Of course, I think it looks nice. Do you want to be the same with her? It's not different. It's not different to be the same with her. It's easy way to do that because of this perfect care product. I love this product. I have been using it many years, and I get more benefit from this perfect product. The reason is because this shampoo has been me has been one of the few that works well with my black hair. Every time I use this shampoo, and it leaves my hair soft, and it also can repair my hair. And the smell is also great. It's light and doesn't weigh down my hair, which is easy to make.
So Louis going to tell you guys about the product. She's the administrator as a scientist in our company.
Hello everyone, I'm Yu. And now I will introduce my website with this part about us. And here we put 4 pictures here. They are 4 main managers in our company public care. We put it here just because to tell customers not only we have put the product, but also we also offer good service for the customers. So when customers have some problems, they can contact us. We can help them to solve problems at any time. And in this part, we just say something about our company. We put this here to tell customers about our company's history, and our product is safe. And because our company growth is to produce safety and good service, good products for customers. So customers can believe our company. And so if you also own good hair, like my partner, just Shani, so you can believe us and using our products. I believe you can also own good hairs. So just using my products, you also do it. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, I'm Titus. First, I would like to apologize for the technical problem we have with our site. You can see it's not functioning because he pressed the wrong button. Changed every setting with it. Yeah. Now, I would first like to talk about how we managed to gather the information, create our site. This was a group work. We came up together with the ideas, and then we built this site. This is about a businesswoman. First, businesswomen, they are women of quality. They are women who have their money. They are women who can use their money to buy whatever befits them. And we decided to produce a shampoo special for businesswomen. This shampoo has so many good advantages on it. It doesn't break hair. It makes the skin shine, like this young lady here you see. And we have also some offers for their men. They can go around and shop for their men to look like them. The color black and white talks for itself. It's clear, white, crystal clear. And one more. About us, the company. The company started in the late 1920s with someone who was clever enough in his scale-up, worked with the herbs and produced this shampoo. And from there, he developed this unique double shampoo you see here.
And we're really thankful to Yanis to help us yesterday because Yan wasn't there, and we really needed that help that time, as we told you before. And Yanis was the man who helped us instead of those teachers who went there in Copenhagen for some showcase or something like this. So really hats off to Yanis to help us. Else, I think we couldn't able to put something to show for showcase. That's it. Thank you.
Well, presentation, first of all. Again, the prepare thing. Try and rehearse it. Use the projector so that you get used to these things. I think most of you did a pretty good job of presenting individually. But one thing, take off your jackets when you present. Like, you look like you're on the way out. Like, I don't want to be here, I want to go away. If you have a nice suit and tie on, you can keep your jacket, but otherwise, take off your clothes and like you're at home, and that way you also will be more convincing when you present. Secondly, one thing I want to notice here, this goes not just for this group, for all groups. When one person in the group is talking and presenting, it is important that the rest of the group pay attention to that person. Because you're signaling to the audience that this person is saying something important. If you're just like this and you're kind of moving around a little, blah, 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 it looks like you're bored, then you are signaling, well, this other person in my group, they're not saying anything interesting. You have an influence on audience too when you stand up here. So if you watch theater, just because one person is not talking in a Shakespeare play, doesn't mean the actor is just standing there doing nothing or something. They're still acting. They're still trying to make the thing come alive. Okay, you used the grid. Great. You have done some design here in Photoshop, and then I'm like, if I look at your, when we talk about target group, if I ask out here, who would be the target group for this website?
Men.
Men, exactly. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, nice website. We have a half-naked lady here. You want to sell things to business women? Is this the right way?
There's a bottle also for the woman, but
Showcase. Just listen. So there's some things to think about. Also, the assignment was to make 2 websites, not just 1. So if you show up to the exam with only half of the stuff you're supposed to make, then you get only half the grade, right? I like that you're taking some pictures of your own and using them. The more material you can produce yourself, the better. The easier it will also be for you to get exactly what you want, if you take the photos that you want. There are some things here with well, let's just move back to the design for a second. There are some things here with the edges and whatever. It's practice in Photoshop. Look up tutorials on the internet, etc., on how to maybe get smoother edges and stuff like that. It's hard, I know, but it can be learned. Just you have to be busy with it. Also, I looked at your coding. You have sliced out all these images, and you made a structure in your HTML to fit it all together in the grid and make it, well, almost like you wanted it to be. But it looks like that's under control, the main structure of the site. But all text should be text and not images. Because all your text in your website is now images. Right? And we're going to learn about some search engine optimization next week. And it's a problem for the search engines because they cannot read the images, so they cannot read the content. Another thing is, sometimes people want to copy text from websites. You cannot copy text from images, or blah, 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 etc. There's a lot of problems with this, so I want to make a point of it now that we see it here. So, 2 main things. Get more into your target group and really focus the design on the target group and your message to that target group. 2, what was number 2? I forget. Oh, yes. Follow the assignment. Make 2 websites.
There's under process actually.
You have something under process?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Under construction. I mean, then when you present, show what you have. Right? If you have not finished everything, but you have a mock-up maybe that's not finished, still show, hey, we worked on some stuff here, we're working on it, we have some good ideas.
So just to let you know,
So that's important. Okay?
those kids are from Titus' kids and wife. Titus' wife.
So this is his wife and this is his...
No, this is the kid. Both of them, this is the wife.
But yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Any more groups that want to present? No? Well, let me finish quicker than I said. Okay, I want to say a couple of things. Let's see if I can figure out how to use this. Now, if you click on groups here, and you choose the project you are working on right now, then the first thing that happens now is you get up a list of all the people who are not in groups. I would like for you, when we start a new project next week from Monday, try and look at this list, help out the people who are not in groups, and maybe these people who are not in groups could find some groups. Now, some of them, I think, are because they just didn't sign up for the group they're actually working in. So, yeah.
We have to upload our project, right, as an image. I have tried it, but
Screenshot, yeah. The screenshot has to be smaller than 2 megabytes.
Okay.
So if you take your screenshot into Photoshop, say save for web and devices, save it as a JPG file there, but make sure that the size and quality of it makes for a smaller file. Also put in the URL for your website.